So this time we'll look at a workflow version that works with Salesforce. So here, same approach. It's exactly the same configuration we saw before. The configuration name, the different accounts. Of course, you need to add your Salesforce account, which we didn't see previously. We'll see we can add a lead status in Salesforce. We can add a lead source, saying it's someone coming from Captain Data. And then comes the mapping part. That's where we're going to say, I want such Captain Data field to appear in such Salesforce field. With this, you can add a lot of data, and it will take into account all the custom fields. Finally, the last very important feature is Owner ID. You can specify who will be the owner of these leads in Salesforce. We saw we could synchronize several LinkedIn accounts. Let's say we are 10 sales representatives. We have 10 synchronized LinkedIn accounts. We all have a Salesforce account. The marketing teams will be able to take control of these accounts, create searches specific to the target of each of these sales representatives, and every Monday morning provide them with 500 leads directly in Salesforce. They are ready to prospect. We completely change their work and make it much more exciting. They can achieve way more ambitious goals.